Hey girls, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the Foxy eye glam makeup look that everybody has been going crazy about. Stay tuned if you'd like to find out how to recreate this Foxy eye look only using Beautyou products. Okay, so first things first, in order to create our Foxy eye glam, you want to make sure to draw your eyeliner line all the way into the inner corner of your eye. Once you have your eyeliner on, you can go ahead and attach the eyelash to the outer corner of your eye using the Beautyou lashes in the style Classy. I love these because they give my eyes a nice fluttery and voluminous look. It's as simple as that to achieve your Foxy eye glam look. Guys, subscribe to our channel if you would like more videos like this. Comment down below what your favorite pair of Beautyou eyelashes is, and stay tuned for the next video.